very important to understand that this product is a bacillus bacteria-based product, okay? A chemical product, when you apply it on a surface, it is best to use on a rag, because if you apply it on a surface, you have to apply it from the bottom to the top, because if you apply it from the top to the bottom and there are streaks, you will burn whatever surface you're using. But this product is very safe. It's best to apply on the surface, give the opportunity to the bacteria to work, and then you wipe it off. There are no streaks, there is no burning whatsoever, there is no staining, and you're not damaging any surface. We're cleaning the window here, and you can see that the previous cleaner has used a chemical product and hasn't wiped it properly, and that's why you get all these streaks. And to see this at a lobby is horrible. It's not the image you want to portray, either as a hotel or a commercial building. So when we apply our product and we wipe it properly, yeah, they're gone. See, no streaks, no burning, no damages, and this could work on any surface.